Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a problem from LeetCode called +1. This problem is classic example of array manipulation and is categorized under easy difficulty. Don't worry, we will break it down step by step. So, what is the problem about? Well, imagine you are given a non-empty array of digits representing a non-integer, non-negative integer. Your task is to increment this integer by 1. The digits are stored such that the most significant digits are at the head of the list and each element in the array contains a single digit. As you can see in the example, this is the array we are receiving in this function and this will be the expected output. What we have to do is we have to increment the last digit of the array, or you can say at the tail of the digit we have to increment it by 1 and then return the array. This would be the output, and this function is also returning a list of integers. Now, how we can solve this problem? One straightforward approach is to start from the rightmost digit, unit place. Check if it is less than 9 here, rightmost of the list, and we will check if it is less than 9. If it is less than 9, we will increment it by 1. If it is greater than 1, we will initialize this place at this current index with 0, and we will increment or we will add 1 at the rightmost. We continue this process until we find a digit that is not equal to 9. If we reach the leftmost digit and it's 9, then we need to add one more digit at the beginning of the array. Let's jump into the code and see how this works. Here we calculate the length of the input list representing the number of digits. This line sets up a loop that iterates through the digits in reverse order, starting from the last digit or the rightmost digit. If the current digit is less than 9, we increment it by 1. After incrementing, I will return the list because our task is to increment the last digit and return the list. Okay. So now we will handle the case if the last digit is greater than 9. In that case, we will if the current digit is 9, we set it to 0 and continue to the next digit. If all digits were 9, we insert 1 at the beginning of the list to represent the carry. Finally, our code is done. Let's run the code. As you can see, our case 1 is accepted, case 2 is also accepted, and case 3 is also accepted. So let's submit the code. Code is also submitted. Here is a quick summary. In this video, we have discussed the 1 plus problem or +1 problem on LeetCode, where we needed to increment a non-negative integer represented by array of digits. We followed a simple approach of iterating through the digits, finding carry if needed, and adding an additional digits if required. We explained the code step by step to ensure everyone understands the solution. I hope you found this video helpful.